listen, donkeys, yes, we are making peri chicken Crunchwrap Supreme. First things first, we're gonna season our chicken using our beautiful all-purpose peri seasoning, and then we're gonna coat it in this amazing peri sauce. If you want to make this one, check out my peri chicken recipe, link in description. And then we're gonna massage the peri marinade into the chicken, and then they go into an oven at 180 degrees centigrade for 15 minutes. Whilst our chicken is roasting away in our air fryer, we're gonna make our beautiful flour tortillas. I'm so excited. In this bowl, I've got 300 grams of plain flour. Now I'm gonna go in with a good pinch, 2 pinches of salt, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and 180 grams of warm water. Now we're gonna stir it until it just comes together. Cover it and put aside and rest it for 10 minutes. After your dough's 10-minute nap, flour your surface and dunk your dough onto your bench. Now we're gonna give this a good 5-minute knead just to work the gluten a bit. We're not making artisan bread. We still have to respect the dough and still develop gluten so we can form our amazing tortillas. So once you have a nice smooth dough, as you can see, get some flour in your bowl, stick it in there, let it rest for 5 more minutes. Now we're gonna cut it into 6 equal parts, and then we're gonna roll them out to 2mm sticks. 90-degree angle, roll. 90-degree angle, roll. In this way, you are guaranteed to have a round tortilla instead of a weird shape. And even if you do get a weird shape, who cares? It's at home. Just make nice food for you and your donkeys, man. You'll know it's the right thinness when it's about 28 centimeters wide. Don't ask me about inches, please. I don't know. Now there's obviously 2 sides of tortillas. The outside wrap and the middle thing and the crispy thing, yeah? So just take a big one, cut in half, and do the same, brother, sister. Now on to the very fun part. I love cooking tortillas. We're gonna coat the bottom of the pan with just a little bit of oil, and then in a medium-high pan, slam in your tortilla, and when it starts bubbling like that, give it a flip, and there you have the perfect flour tortilla. Yeah, baby. For our crispy tortilla in the middle, I'm gonna take one of those small tortillas, cook it, and then we're gonna crispy fry it and season it with our beautiful peri all-purpose seasoning. At this point, your chicken should be perfectly cooked. And now we're gonna pull it apart with a fucking knife. Knife and fork. And then into a pan, along with some more peri sauce. Don't be shy. 1 baby gem lettuce. Just roughly chopped dhania or coriander. Dhania is what we call it in South Africa or in India. And chicken and coriander is just a thing, isn't it? And then we are beautifully gonna dice 1 tomato and a finely diced red onion. Lightly seasoning with our peri seasoning. To put this beast together, you're gonna need one of your large tortillas, and then we're gonna go on first with some cheese because we want the cheese to melt. And if you don't like melted cheese, then well, seek help. And then on with your beautiful peri chicken. Don't be shy. It needs to be a fat one. I've got hay fever, by the way. A bit more peri sauce for good luck. And then on with your crispy peri Dorito. On with a few slices of very ripe avocado. Then on with your lettuce and coriander. Because flour tortillas lives matter. Now we're gonna crimp and fold. Hopefully you did make your tortilla wraps big enough so you can do it exactly like I'm doing now. And this is what you want. And then into a medium pan heat, fold it side down first. We're just gonna lightly press until it seals those folds. Have a look. Oh yes, baby, look at that. That's what we want. Give it a seal on the other side as well. And now the moment we've all been waiting for, the cross section. Oh, hear that? That's crispy goodness, yeah? Woo, baby. Look at that. Do you know the best thing about a crunch wrap, yeah? Is that first bite. I just created the Piri Piri chicken superior. Who cares about the supreme? Even if you buy your tortilla wraps, go and make yourself this Piri Piri chicken crunch wrap superior. It will blow your mind. It's crazy, crazy ping. Trust me. Please do yourself a favor and do this for your family. Please. Don't forget to fart. I love you. And 180. It's like a microwave, the bloody thing. And 180 grams of warm water. Because flour tortillas lives matter. Can make any joke I want to.